Is your browser running really slow on your Windows laptop? Pages taking forever to load? Videos lagging? Or Chrome just feels delayed? Don't worry, there's a quick way to speed it up again. Start by opening Google Chrome on your laptop. Now look at the top right corner and click the three dots. From here, you can either tap Delete Browsing Data directly or go into Settings and then open Privacy and Security. Next, click on Delete Browsing Data. You'll now see different time ranges like last hour, last 7 days, or all time. Usually the more old data you remove, the better your browser performance becomes because Chrome stores a lot of temporary files, cookies, and cached data over time. You can also click Advanced or Show More to see extra options. For example, you can remove cached images, cookies, browsing history, and other temporary files that may be slowing things down. Just make sure you don't delete anything important if you still need it, especially saved passwords. Once you're ready, tap Delete Data. Give it a few seconds, and that's it. After clearing the browsing data, your browser should feel smoother, faster, and less laggy, especially on older Windows laptops. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vid.